Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by factoring the number under the square root, make pairs of identical prime factors so you can pull perfect squares out. Once done, take each paired factor as a whole number in front of the radical and leave the unpaired primes inside. For example, square root 27 becomes square root 93, which you simplify to 3 square root 3. Make sure to keep factors organized. That step is the quickest way to remove any square parts and reduce the radical immediately. You now handle expressions where the square root sits in a denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator by the same radical to clear a single square root, or use the conjugate to clear binomial roots. This turns a radical denominator into a rational number. Once you multiply, expand, and then combine like terms, extracting perfect square factors from any resulting radicals. After simplifying, reduce common numeric factors. This keeps your expression algebraically equivalent. You finish by inspecting the result, pull out any remaining perfect squares, reduce numeric fractions, and confirm no simpler radical form exists. If the radicand is an odd prime or product of distinct primes, you will end with an irreducible square root term. That is expected. Make sure to refactor if something looks off, rerun prime factorization, and use a decimal check to ensure equivalence. If a denominator still has a root, reapply rationalization. This tip fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.